In today's video, we'll be talking about colors in South Africa. Colors are trending at the moment because of Jacobs Liams, who's actually trying to shift the blame. He's saying colors lives matter.
First thing I need to say is that when we say colored lives matter, we are not saying it is only colored lives that matter. But we are saying that colored lives matter too. And it is these colored lives that are being lost on a daily basis. Lost through gun violence, lost through gang violence every single day. And the very same system that is supposed to protect us is failing to protect us. And all we are asking of this system is peace. That is why we are calling on the national government to step in and bring the army into our areas. Because it is going to be impossible to make sure that we have long-term healing if we do not have immediate stability. And that is why on the 1st of December 2025, we are going to be taking to the streets wearing black. Because on the 1st of December, every single town and every single city and the entire world will know about our struggle and will know about the names of our brothers and our sisters who have lost their lives to violence. It is the army or it is nothing.
He's saying colors lives matter. Like, I really do not understand. He left the Democratic Alliance and joined the PA, the Patriotic Alliance. We know the leaders of the Patriotic Alliance, especially the founders, talking about Gates and Mackenzie and Kendi Kunene, are jailbirds. Talking about the people who have committed crimes over and over, and Gates and Mackenzie is a colored. He was arrested, he served his time. It's even dodgy how he got out. He had to snitch on other inmates, about that story for another day. That's how he got out. He worked with the police anyways. I get it. I'm not disputing that he doesn't believe in God. He's been saved and all of that. But lately, they're just moving funny. I no longer trust them. I know I wasted my vote on the Patriotic Alliance, the regional one. I really wasted my vote for voting for those people. These are the people who were screaming, Abahambe, Abahambe. Once the GNU was formed, they were so excited because they were part of the GNU. They no longer scream that. We have the Dula movement and also March on March movement who are busy trying to tackle the issue of illegal foreigners, because these people are the problem in this country. But I'm not going to talk about that today. I just want to talk about coloreds. I don't get Jacobs why he's so angry, because who's actually unaliving coloreds? Who's selling powder to coloreds? It's coloreds. These gang members. Who are these people? It's colors. I'm not saying I'm excusing other races, but we know we've got black people, we've got Izinkabi. Those are the black people. Those are the